Not to be controversial or anything, but mug cake, put it in a bowl to begin with. You need 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of caster sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 medium egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, a few drops of vanilla essence, a handful of chocolate chips, and 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Mix this up, and I'm going to explain why we've done it in the bowl. All mugs come in different shapes and sizes. You only actually need to fill a mug up halfway with the mixture to get a perfect mug cake. The majority of the time, there's too much mixture in the mug, it overflows and makes a mess. This is going to prevent that because we can control how much mixture is going into the mug. Stick this in the microwave, high heat for 2 minutes. And after that 2 minutes, you've got a perfect gooey mug cake. Not overflowing, absolutely no mess. And there you have it. Easy, no problem.